Hi dear students, myself Pralhad. I will teach you the subject mathematics. So now we shall discuss the chapter quadratic equation. So in earlier class you have studied the polynomials. So there you studied the types of polynomials. The first one is what? Linear polynomial. What is that? If I write ax plus b, so this is what? Linear polynomial. P of x is equal to ax plus b. It is a linear polynomial. If I write one more, P of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So this is what? Quadratic polynomial. But now we are discussing the chapter quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. So now here, what is the difference between quadratic equation and a quadratic polynomial? So here, let us write the standard form of this quadratic equation. Now write the standard form of this is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Now here we say this polynomial is what? Quadratic polynomial. Why? Because the degree of this polynomial is 2. What is the degree of polynomial? It means highest power of x. So in this one, the highest power of x is 2. Therefore, degree of this polynomial is 2. Since the degree of this polynomial is 2, this is called as quadratic polynomial. Here also, equation is nothing but always equal to must be there. This is quadratic polynomial. This is quadratic equation. For the quadratic polynomial, equal to 0 is there, then it must be a quadratic equation. For the polynomial p of x equal to 0 is there, then it is a quadratic equation. So what is the standard form of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a should not be equal to 0. A cannot be equal to 0. If a equal to 0, then this term will get vanish. Means this term will be removed. If this term is removed, then you will get only bx plus c. It means again it is in the form of ax plus b. Okay, it cannot become quadratic equation now. So see, to say the quadratic equation, the equation must have the degree as 2. Okay, the equation having the degree as 2. If suppose the equation having degree as 1, then it is a linear equation. Here it is linear polynomial. Here it is a linear equation. That is the only difference. Here equation, here polynomial. Okay. So if equal to 0 is there, then it is equation. So standard form of quadratic equation is what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a must not be equal to 0. ABC may be any real numbers. You can take any real numbers, ABC, but a should not be equal to 0. Okay, this is the quadratic equation. Now you write the definition of quadratic equation. What is that? A quadratic equation in the variable x. So here I have taken the variable as x. You can take any other variable, s, t, y. Okay, in the variable x is an equation of the form, as I said you, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers. And a should not be equal to 0. This is very important. A should not be equal to 0. And you must write here equal to 0. If write equal to 0, then it is quadratic equation. If you are not writing quadratic not equal to 0, means if you are not writing this equal to 0, then it cannot become a quadratic equation. Okay. Now the standard form of quadratic equation. Okay, this is what? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A must not be equal to 0. Okay, you copy these two first. Now let us see the examples. Which type of examples we can say quadratic equation. Now I'll write 2x square plus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0 I written. To say the equation as quadratic equation, the degree of that equation must be 2. What is that? Degree of that equation must be 2. Means highest power of the variable. Here I have taken the variable as x. Highest power of variable x must be 2. Then it is quadratic equation. You observe the variable x. Highest power of this is 2. Therefore it is quadratic equation. Okay. If suppose I write like this. Minus 2 is equal to 4x square. Whether this is a quadratic equation or not, it is also quadratic equation. You see here. So here it is a highest power of x, means the degree of this equation is 2. Therefore it is also quadratic equation. We can write this in the form of x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. How we can write? You take this minus 2 to the right. So it will become what? 4x square plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, it is also quadratic equation. If suppose I write like this, minus 2 plus 4x square is equal to 0. Again this is also quadratic equation, because the degree of this equation is 2, means highest power of x is 2. It is also quadratic equation. We can give any example, any number of examples you can give it. So if suppose I write 2s square plus 4s plus 2 is equal to 0, whether it is a quadratic equation or not, I will ask you. It is also quadratic equation. Here I used the variable as s, but here the variable I used here is x. Okay, it is also quadratic equation because the degree of this equation is 2. Highest power of s is 2. Okay, so this is also quadratic equation. So you write all these. Now let us start the exercise. There you will come to know the clear idea. Now the first main, check whether the following are quadratic equations. For some questions, by observing the question directly we can say whether it is quadratic equation or not. Okay, so I will solve the question properly first, then we can judge it whether it is quadratic equation or not. Okay, so for all problems no need to solve and then you can say the answer. By observing the problem only you can guess it whether this is quadratic equation or not. It must be quadratic equation because here it is of the form a plus b whole square. After solving this, there you will get x square. Here no x square term. So here finally we will get the x square term. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. Here also. So right side no x square term, but left side is there. If right side also 1 x square, here also 1 x square maybe get cancelled. But only LHS side x square term is there. It cannot get cancelled. X square remains as it is. Therefore it is also quadratic equation. Otherwise you can solve them properly. Then you can give the answer for that. So it is of the form a plus b whole square. It means a square plus b square plus 2ab. That is x square plus 1 square means it is 1 plus 2ab. 2 into x, that is 2x is equal to, now multiply this, 2 into x is 2x plus into minus 2 3s are 6. Now I can cancel 2x. So both side same plus 2x is there. So remaining is what? X square plus 1. Now this minus 6 come to the left side, it will become plus 6 is equal to 0. Now here x square plus 7 is equal to 0. So this, in this equation, the highest power of x means degree of this equation is 2. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Now we'll come for this. Again it is also quadratic equation. So let us solve it. X square minus 2x is equal to, multiplied, minus 2 into 3, that is minus 6, minus into minus it is plus, 2 into x is again 2x. Now here we cannot cancel these two because equal sign is there. Here equal sign is there, same signs, you can cancel them. Now let us take this 2x to the left. X square minus 2x. This plus 2x will become minus 2x. This minus 6 will become a plus 6 is equal to 0. Now here x square minus 2x minus 2x, that is minus 4x. Then plus 6 is equal to 0. It is also in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is also ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So means degree of this equation, therefore it is a quadratic equation. Okay, it is also quadratic equation. What is that? X minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. So after multiplying LHS side, you are getting x square term is there, x square term. In RHS also x square term will come. So x square will get cancelled. At the end we are not getting x square term. So therefore it is not a quadratic equation. We can say it. Okay. Otherwise you simplify it first, then you can give the answer for it. Now multiply LHS, x into x. It is what? X square, then x into 1, that is x, minus 2 into x, that is minus 2x, minus 2 into 1, it is minus 2 is equal to. Now first multiply from x to these two terms, x into x, x square, x into 3 plus 3x, then minus 1 into x, minus x, minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3. Now x square will get cancelled. So remaining is here LHS side minus x minus 2, and this side 3x minus 6, that is 2x minus 3. Now we take these two terms to the right side. So right side 2x is there, 2x as it is, minus x will become plus x, constant minus 3 is there, minus 3, this minus 2 will become plus 2 is equal to 0. Now 2x plus x, it is 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So is it quadratic equation? No, it is not quadratic equation because the highest power of x is 1. Degree of this equation is 1. It is a linear equation. It cannot be quadratic equation. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Now come to this side. Here also, by seeing the question, we can give the answer. Right side x square plus x square is a. So left side, after multiplying this side is what? 2x square. So here 2x square, that side x square. So remaining is what? Take that x square to the left. 2x square minus x square will be x square as it is. So means at the end x square remains. The x square remains, then it is quadratic equation. So otherwise we shall simplify it. Now multiply this x into x, that is x into that is 2x. 2x square, x into 2x is 2x square, then x into 1, that is plus x, then minus 3 into 2x, that is minus 6x, minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3 is equal to this side x into x, x square, x into 5, that is plus 5x. Now take these terms to the left side. So 2x square is there, 2x square. This x square term to the left minus x square. Plus x minus 6x, that is minus 5x. And now you take this minus plus 5x to the left. It will become minus 5x. So LHS side minus 3 is there, minus 3 is equal to 0. Now this is 2x square minus x square, that is x square minus 10x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now the degree of this equation is 2. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. It is quadratic equation. Now 5th and 6th, try to solve yourself. Now I'll go for 7th and 8th. So here you can use the formula a plus b whole cube. What is that? A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. By using that formula, you will solve it. It is of the form a plus b whole cube. A cube means x cube plus b cube means 2 cube. 2 cube is nothing but 8. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b 3a square means x square into b. B is nothing but what here? 2 plus 3ab square 3a. A is nothing but what? X into b square means 2 square, it is 4. Then equal to is that? Equal to. Now multiply this. 2x into x square, that is 2x cube. 2x into minus 1, that is minus 2x. Now x cube plus 8 plus 3 to the 6x square plus 4 3 the 12x is equal to 2x cube minus 2x. Now let us take these two terms to the left side. X cube is there, x cube as it is. This plus 2x cube will become a minus 2x cube. Then plus 6x square is there, plus 6x square plus 12x is there, plus 12x. Now we'll take this minus 2x to the left side. It will become plus 2x. Then one more constant is there here, that is plus 8 is equal to 0. Now the last step, what is that? X cube minus 2x cube, that is minus x cube plus 6x square, then plus 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now is it a quadratic equation or not? The degree of this equation is 3, means highest power of x is 3. It is a not quadratic equation. We can say this equation as a cubic equation. Okay? Because degree 3 is there, you can say it as cubic equation. So therefore it is a not quadratic equation. It is not a quadratic equation. Then the last one. Now I'll take LHS as it is. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to. Now this is of the form what? A minus b whole cube again. It means what? A cube means x cube minus b cube. B cube is nothing but 2 cube. It is 8 minus 3a square b. 3a square means x square. B is nothing but what? 2 plus, here plus will come, plus 3ab square. 3a means x, b square, 2 square it is 4. Now this is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to. Now this is x cube. This term, all right, 3 to the 6 minus 6x square. And this one 4 3 plus 12x, then minus 8. Now here x cube and x cube term will get cancelled. Now I'll take this minus these terms to the left side. Minus 4x square, this will become plus 6x square. Then minus x, this will become minus 12x. Then constant plus 1, it will become plus 8 is equal to 0. Minus 4 plus 6, that is plus 2x square. Minus 1 minus 12, that is minus 13x. Plus 1 plus 8, that is plus 9 equal to 0. Now the degree of this equation is 2. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. Okay. So this is not quadratic equation. It is cubic equation and this is a quadratic equation.